Ever wondered how your phone can suddenly write a poem or how an app can describe a picture you just took? It feels like magic, right? But it's not magic, it's something way cooler: foundation models. These are the super brains behind the AI revolution, and today we're going to pull back the curtain and see how they work. Hey everyone, welcome to Factsralogy, the place where your curiosity gets a dose of reality. If you love figuring out how the world works, do me a solid and hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the notification bell so you're always first in line for the next big discovery. So, what exactly is a foundation model? Imagine a library containing every book ever written, every painting ever created, and every song ever sung. Now imagine a single superpowered brain that has read, seen, and heard it all. That's a foundation model. It's like an AI's universal brain trained on a mind-boggling amount of data. We're talking oceans of text, images, code, and sound. Because it's learned from everything, it can spot the hidden connections between all these different types of information. That's why one single model can write an essay, generate a piece of code, describe a beautiful sunset, or answer your toughest homework questions. Just like we don't learn to speak in one part of our brain and see in another, these models learn it all together, creating a unified understanding of the world. So how does this mega brain actually learn? The secret sauce is a revolutionary architecture called a transformer. Forget those sci-fi robots for a second. In AI, a transformer is a special type of neural network that is brilliant at understanding context. Instead of just reading words one by one, it pays attention to how they relate to each other in a sentence, a paragraph, or even an entire document. It doesn't memorize facts like a parrot. It learns to predict what should come next. Think of it like the world's best autocomplete. It guesses the next word, the next pixel in an image, or the next note in a melody. By doing this billions and billions of times, it develops something like a digital intuition. It's this intuition that allows it to generate creative text, translate languages flawlessly, and even start to reason about complex problems. But wait, it gets even crazier. The latest foundation models aren't just limited to text. They're becoming multimodal, which is a fancy way of saying they can see, hear, and speak. You can show one of these models a picture of a cat playing a piano. It won't just say cat and piano. It can describe the scene in detail, write a funny caption for it, create a short story about the musical feeling, and even talk to you about it in a synthesized voice. It's like all the different senses, sight, sound, language, are finally connected inside a single AI mind, mirroring how our own brains process the world. This is a huge leap forward, turning AI from a text-based tool into a true interactive partner. So why is this such a big deal? Because foundation models are the key to making AI scale at lightning speed. In the old days, if you wanted an AI to do a new task, you had to build and train a whole new system from scratch. That's slow and expensive, but with foundation models, you start with this massive pre-trained brain and then fine-tune it for a specific job. Think of it like a master chef who knows everything about cooking. You don't have to teach them the basics every time. You just tell them whether you want a French pastry or an Italian pasta. The same base model can be adapted for countless applications, from helping doctors diagnose diseases to helping musicians compose new symphonies. They're not just tools. They are powerful platforms for building almost any kind of intelligence you can imagine. In the end, a foundation model is more than just a piece of clever software. It's becoming the fundamental language of understanding itself. It's a new way of processing and connecting information on a global scale. We've moved past the simple question of what can AI do. Now, the real mind-blowing question is, what happens when everything in our digital world starts learning together? The possibilities are truly infinite. Thanks for diving deep with us today on Factsralogy. If this sparked your curiosity, let me know in the comments what you think the future of AI holds. And as always, don't forget to like and subscribe for more journeys into the heart of reality.